Welcome back to another Inkscape tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain much about the freehand tool, even though I discourage using it. And before that, I just wanted to explain something that I did on the previous video on object versus path. I forgot to mention something there. Let's say I have this freehand tool selected. Sorry, I have that freehand tool selected, and I draw kind of Pac-Man shape there, like that. Then I use selector tool. I can change the fill color there. I can also change the stroke. Let's say it's red. So this is a path, but not an object, because if you double click there, you can see. So this is something that I wanted to explain from the previous video, whereby if I have the same shape with this object here, so we understand that this is an object right now, but if I convert it to path, then now I can double click and see the different nodes I have. So the difference between an object and a path is that a path is made up of several nodes joining the nodes together, while an object has these predetermined shapes already. So if you see this object now, it has like around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 6 points. While if you draw it using your hand, then these are now the points you have. There are very many points, and they are really difficult to edit. So the difference between this and the previous video I did is that on the previous video I had this selection here. If you come here if you have this path selected, you can come here to path, simplify, and what that does, it reduces the number of nodes in that path there. You can see now they are reducing. We can as well go and simplify it further. What it does, it just smoothen out some of the nodes there, so that you can have easy time editing it. Another short way of doing that is if you have this freehand tool selected, you can come here and have this smoothness turned up to, let's have 100 there, so that when we draw Pac-Man shape like that, when we draw a Pac-Man shape like that, so here you can see I have only 3 nodes, so it makes my work more easier. You see that? Yeah. Also, I can have the freehand tool here selected. Then I can reduce this to, so in my previous video it was around 50, so I can make this one to around 5 and see what's happening. I can try to write my name there, Elvis Creative. So this is going to be really messy here, because I have that smoothness turned up to a lower number. Even this one is a bit messy. So what you can do, you can select a bunch of nodes together. Let me like that, so that I can edit these ones together. Let me try to zoom. So I can have this one selected like this, so I can just press delete key on my keyboard. That one will delete that section there. Another thing I can do is if I have a triangle like this one, then I convert that to path. So when I double click, I only have these 4 corners, but I can add more nodes. If I double click there, I can have it there. If I double click this, I can add another node here. I can do that and kind of create this funny shape here, like a star or something. So these are also a good way you can explore the limits of Inkscape. Go ahead and try to play around with trying to simplify the nodes and using the freehand tool, also converting the objects to path, as well as trying to smoothen the nodes by turning this value to higher number, maybe 100, 50, 200, so that you can have smooth curves. Thank you. This video was just a precursor on what we are going to do next on Bezier tool. It is also a very powerful tool, and hope will like it. Please do subscribe and comment, join the conversation in the comment section. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. See you in the next video.